Hey guys, welcome to Log Nails. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Victoria's Secret credit card account online and dive right into the video. Now to log into your Victoria's Secret credit card account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened my Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in victoriassecret.com like this and enter, and that will be redirected to the home page of Victoria. And now to log into your account from the home page, on the top right corner of your screen you can see the bag icon available over here. Click on that bag icon, and of that this type of interface will appear where there is the sign in button available. Click on sign in, and over here you'll be required to enter your email address and your password with which you had signed up for your secret credit card. Or if you have forgotten your password, simply click on forgot password to go through a procedure to retrieve your Victoria's Secret credit card's password. With that being said, after entering your email address and your password, click on secure sign in, and then you'll be able to log into your Victoria's Secret credit card account. Or if you have not yet created an account on Victoria's Secret, simply click on create one now to go through a procedure to register an account on Victoria's Secret. And there guys, this is how you log into your Victoria's Secret credit card account. And if you have any confusion questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more.